Do you want to make money by reselling luxury bags? Yes, I know you do. But the secret lies in buying wisely. And for that, you need to think. 1. Products and contacts. 2. Information. And both of them are in one place. Resellers Connector. Wait, let's get back to it. 1. You will have all the products and contacts of the best resellers in the world. 2. You will get all the price and competition information on each bag you need. Buy with knowledge, not assumptions. You focus on getting your clients, creating your content on social media, and building your community. For everything else, Resellers Connector, the marketplace for resellers.